Hey, how's it going, everyone? Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Snapchat account permanently. This tutorial is for iOS, but the process is similar for Android. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Launch any web browser on your mobile device or computer. Search for Snapchat Account Portal in the address bar. Open the first link. It will have a Snapchat icon before it. Once you are on that page, you need to log into your Snapchat account. Scroll down and you will see a Delete My Account option. Click on it and Snapchat will display information about the consequences of deleting your account. Enter your username and password and press Continue. Your Snapchat account is now scheduled for deletion. It will be deactivated initially, and then it will be permanently deleted after 30 days. During this 30-day period, your friends won't be able to contact you on Snapchat. I hope this video was of help. Bye.